Dr. Aro Digmajan with Prime Coral, and you are looking at the RTN Parasite Philaster. I isolated the parasite here from an RTN Acropora, and I poured out 1 milliliter of water. You can see there's probably about 20 mils of water in here. I took 1 mil out and have literally at least 1,000 of these parasites here in this few drops of water. You can see how many there are. And these are predominantly Philaster. So I did an intake treatment for this particular coral, and it was so infested with Philaster, as you can see, that at RTN. I took it out, put it in a cup, and now here are the Philaster that used to be inside the skeleton. They all came out. As a matter of fact, the skeleton was dark because of their body.